Productive has taken on a whole new meaning for me over the past few months. As a stay-at-home homeschool mom of four, homemaker, farmer's wife, flower farmer, and YouTuber, there's a lot on my plate. And ever since moving into this old 1700s three-story home, I have been struggling a little bit with overwhelm, and the mornings have become one of my favorite times to just kind of regroup, get some work done, work out, and prepare myself for success that day. So I know I shared a morning routine about 3 months ago, and so much has changed, which was actually inspired by when I started uploading 2 videos a week on YouTube. I knew I needed more discipline. I was spending too much time idly on my phone or consuming content or feeling like I just was not successful. So instead of giving into those feelings of defeat and overwhelm, I decided to step up and face the battle. So one way that I'm doing that is by getting up early. This is not natural for me. Naturally, I like to stay up late and get up a little later as well. But I have to be disciplined to get to bed on time and then rise early. I'm now getting up around 5 to 5:30 in the morning. So I'll show you exactly what that entails. But I wanted to preface this video with that. And if you're in the same shoes, feeling overwhelmed, defeated, like you're just not productive, then I hope this video inspires you. Though self-discipline can sometimes be hard, you can do it. I'm in there with you. It's time to rise and shine. whenever possible, I like to be completely ready for the day before breakfast time. I'm a little bit late today, so I did not get my hair done yet. So I'll do that while the others eat breakfast. If you watched my previous video, you know that I do intermittent fasting. So that can also be a time when I quickly finish getting ready. But we're gonna get started on breakfast. You want some eggs? Yeah? Let's get some breakfast on the table for our hungry barn crew. Yeah, they already are all done milking.
Is the Lamb who was and is to Let no man claim to be higher than your majesty.
Crew is eating breakfast downstairs now, so I came up here to the kids' bathroom to fix my hair yet. And a number of you have asked how I do that like low bun look, and so I thought I would just show that to you today. It is my hairstyle like 90% of the time, especially now in the summer. Today is another hot, humid day, so I just like it out of my face, and it's honestly super easy. All that I use for this hairstyle, oof, what a mess, is a hair tie and a couple of hairpins. So the amount of hairpins varies on the day, but first I'm gonna go ahead and brush out my hair. And then I like to just take some sections at the top and tease my hair a little bit. I'll either do that or I just have this Collab dry shampoo. Sometimes I'll also just use that. Spray that in a few sections. See if we can get some good volume. Also just feels nice. I didn't wash my hair after working out today, and that really helps it feel a little better. Just gonna grab my hair tie and then, sorry, I'm looking to the side. I'm using the viewfinder as my mirror. Just gonna grab all my hair like you're gonna make a low ponytail. Make sure we got it all, and then I kind of pull it back and then push to give that volume in the back. I'm just gonna take my hair tie and tie it, and you can see I'm not quite looping my hair through. And then I'm just gonna go and do it again. Now it looks something like this, and then pull these tight a little bit, and then I literally just take this kind of bun and press it in, and then I'm gonna pin it. To pin the sides a little bit. I don't even know what you guys are seeing, so I hope this is even helpful at all. But I don't like when my hair tie shows here, so I will take these two ends and just pin it in like that. And then I'll take all these little strays and just pin them down. If there's a lot of hair sticking right here, then I also like to pin that back. I didn't bring a little mirror with me, so I'm not sure how that looks, but then I just like to pull a little bit here just to give that a nice little puff back there. And I'll do the same in the front. Just give myself a little bit more volume. Okay, and then I just go, I like if it's not completely like slicked back, so I'll just go and pull out a little bit of hair on the sides. Sometimes I will curl these just a little bit if they are just wanting to go astray. And I don't have my hair mousse or anything up here, so I'm just gonna grab a little bit of water. You can also just spray some hairspray, although I like to use hairspray very sparingly. I also just realized I forgot to put in earrings, so I'm gonna grab those, and then it's time to get the little girls dressed, get everyone's hair combed, and get family devotion started. We tried to do this around 8:30, that everybody sits down in the living room and starts family devotion, so I better get on my game so I'm not late. I don't make my bed the same time every day. Sometimes it's right in the morning when I wake up, and sometimes it is when I'm getting ready a little bit later. So today it's the latter, but the point is we're getting the bed made.
Whenever I am and however I feel, I know you are always with me. Turn your eyes upon Jesus. Look full in his wonderful face. Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship you. Fill this land with the Father's glory, blaze, Spirit, blaze, set our hearts on fire.
Right, it's time to get school started now. So I hope that today's morning routine was inspiring to you, maybe encouraged you if you were feeling overwhelmed or defeated with life. Thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye, friends.
Golden, golden thing.